So this here is a non-solar, eco-friendly jungle pool that doesn't need any chlorine. It's constantly running fresh water from the well into the pool and then out into the pond over there. So it's constantly feeding the pond. The well has a never-ending stream of water, and the pump doesn't run all day. It only runs for about just over 10 minutes every hour. So twice an hour for a total of about 10 minutes. And what it does is it fills the waterfall tank up there, and then when it's half empty, there's a floating valve in there that kicks in. It has a sensor and it sets off the pump, and then the pump fills it up pretty quickly. So then really you're using very little energy, but it is non-solar, and then it feeds the pond over here. That section is still under construction. It will be another part of the pool. And there are 2 more waterfalls over here that aren't in working condition at the moment. We're just going to get them reset up again. There you go.